The biggest thing about an informational interview, you are not pitching for a job. Welcome everybody, Nikita here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are discussing informational interviews. Welcome to my series Nick's HR Corner, where I discuss things relating to job search, making yourself more marketable, and overall becoming a better professional. So today we are discussing informational interviews. So the whole concept of informational interview is a little bit new to me. It's something that I learned this year. I'm more than happy to share what I've learned with you. So I make videos here on my channel relating to developing as a professional, natural hair, and sustainable fashion. If you enjoy any of these topics, you are in the right place. I would have made 2 other videos in this series, which is how to improve your LinkedIn channel and just navigating the US landscape, US employment landscape as a foreigner. So definitely check out those videos. I really hope you enjoy, and let's get right into this week's video. So this week I am discussing informational interviews. As I said, it's something that was new to me. I would have been introduced to the whole concept of informational interviews, partaking in the Upwardly Global, immigrant prep program that basically, I've spoken about it in my first video and I will link it below. It basically prepares you for the working world in the US as immigrants. If you are an immigrant and you'd like to find out more about the Upwardly Global program, I will link that down below. So an informational interview basically is an opportunity to speak to someone that is working in a company or a field that you are interested in working in. The informational interview basically is a one-on-one conversation with that individual where you ask them questions. I would encourage you to prepare the questions beforehand. You are not pitching for a job. You are merely speaking to an individual who can provide insight, who can provide guidance, who can provide, encouragement or steps that you can take. If it is steps that you can take towards achieving your goals. So you are not pitching for this person to hire you, but definitely they can point you to other resources or individuals, or even tell you about positions that are available. So hence the name informational interview. You're mainly speaking to this person to get information. I feel like it is very important for you to, in this kind of forum, represent yourself well. Even though it's an informal interview, you don't want to go in completely baffled, not having questions, predetermined or considered, and just be there like, what do you want to talk about? It's definitely not that type of event. I have done about 3 or 4 informational interviews and they went really, really well. I definitely need to reconnect with some of the people I spoke to. I definitely got some guidance. One thing that I'm doing right now, I wanted to do it and I was reinforced by having informational interviews and discussing that with other persons that are employed, 1 in the field that I am in now, and 2 in the career path that I am planning to take. I would have spoken to persons that, took a similar path. To speak to someone who is currently working in the capacity that you aspire to work in, or is doing something that you would like to do at some point. So that person can give you insight, can give you guidance, and can point you to other individuals that they think may be helpful, or to persons that are hiring if you are doing this research for the purpose of securing a job. For my informational interviews, they were kind of set up through the organizations that I am a part of, which is New Woman New Yorker and Upwardly Global. They would have set up this interview. The thing I would do is do a little background check on the individual. I would get a name and probably where it is that the person is employed and the capacity in which they're employed. So there are questions that you can find online from a simple Google search, questions to ask in an informational interview, but there's a specific reason why you are meeting with that individual. So ensure that you get the crux, the major points that you want to discuss. I would say ask those questions first. What is the main reason for meeting this person? what is one thing that you want to walk away with? And I feel like there should be one question that is your major purpose for the conversation. And secondly, something that you should definitely pitch for in all informational interviews. Ask that individual to recommend additional persons. If they can introduce you to one or a few persons that they believe can assist you also, that is the best thing, and from there you can build a network. For the most part, I was meeting with persons are employed as administrative assistants. I'm coming from a more HR background, and for the most part I knew what the job entailed, but I wanted to speak to persons that were actively doing the position that I was applying for. So I got a number of good tips and insight from persons in different that works in different sectors that do the job that I am currently doing. And some of the tips that I would have received from them were instrumental in me performing how I am performing now in my current capacity. Do a little background check on the person. Do not ask anything that you can find on your own. Ensure that the questions that you are asking are important, and it can be fun too. Like, again, I migrated to New York, so I asked some of the persons that I met with, like, what do you do for fun here? Like, what are some of the activities you enjoy? What's the best thing about working where you work? Persons that I saw worked at like 2 or 3 different places, and I'm like, what's one thing that you learned from each of these places? This is a different industry. There are so many questions that you can ask, but again, the purpose of the informational interview is to ascertain information that can assist you in getting to where you want to go. I definitely would encourage persons to reach out to individuals and try to set up an informational interview. Generally, they're about half an hour. They can be a little less, a little bit more, depending on what it is. But how I would say tips on pitching or asking persons to meet with you. 2 tips I have: reach out to the person in a very professional way, advising them of who you are and why is it that you want to meet with them. That is important. Say a little bit about you. Hi, I'm Nikita. I'm an immigrant. I am currently seeking administrative assistant position, and I see where you work in the capacity of XYZ, and I'd love to speak to you to get some tips how to market myself for this field. And reaching out to the person, be genuine, ensure that they know why it is you're reaching out to them. So if it is you can save yourself some of those learning pains by reaching out and having conversations with individuals that have been there and done that, definitely seize the opportunity to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found the information presented helpful and that you too will pursue setting up informational interviews. As I said, I've done a video relating to improving your LinkedIn profile, as well as tips to navigate the US job market. So if you are interested in watching any of those videos, definitely check the description box below. I will link them down. And if it is that you like natural hair or sustainable fashion, I do have videos relating to that as well. So definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.